Using Force Technology's advanced drones, it is easy to conduct blade inspections. The drones are continuously developed with image resolution and focus, providing unparalleled image quality. Remotely controlled without accessing the turbines ensures a minimum of downtime and production loss. After completing the on-site works, the data is evaluated by our expert, reported and documented. Using either visual imaging, thermal infrared inspection or a combination of the two provide our customers with full documentation of the blade surface as well as some structural information. Force Technology drone inspection provides an efficient mapping of visual damages to the blade, making it easy to plan repair works and general maintenance. Extent of inspection is done in accordance with customers' requirements, and reporting is delivered immediately after the evaluation.